Rochester's youth learning life skills today at a special workshop on bicycle maintenance and repair. Our community bikes hosted the event today. They are on Hudson Avenue. Organizers taught kids how to replace tires and keep them in working order.
This was a great opportunity for our kids to learn a new skill. And who knows what young person is the next mechanic in the future. So those are the things that we wanted to give them, hands-on skills, so they can develop not just getting a great bike, but they can develop some skills that they can go on, that can branch on to other things in their lives as well.
Our community bikes has other bike giveaways and repair workshops happening this week. They do a lot here. It is a great volunteer mission. And for more information, you can head to ourcommunitybikes.net.